Yo, what's up? Good morning. hmm Let's go. Mhm. All right. Are we ready? Let's get it. So we're gonna analyze in a few minutes. We're gonna analyze. Alright, let's get it. Don't mind me if I change this bundle to a little chill bundle. Alright, we're just gonna break this down massively, okay? Now we're gonna get on it. Let's just look at okay, monthly we've come up all the way. Weekly also we're still pushing up. We've broken above this, we're still pushing up. We have our resistance all the way up here. Going back to the daily also we're still pushing up. This is the previous daily high right over here. 4-hour time frame also that's above all the previous candles. Okay, well, let's just see where that resistance is. Yeah, let's take it as 580. Coming down the 30-minute time frame. $590. To us. Yeah, 580 seems like a solid level. Okay, so now as we keep going down, we see that our parameters are increasing. Right, we have different parameters at this point. So that was the mark right at this point. Alright, so the next resistance is, if you look at it all the way up here, at 153 flat. See. Alright, so let's bring this resistance up. We brought it up to 600, 152, 600. Okay. So now we're marking on our levels. So we kind of got a level from 560 to 5. Yep, that would be our level. It's our zone. Alright, so that's our zone to go up. To break up there, we should be good to continue up. So we got a 30-minute support right away. Simple. Okay, so we have some extremely tiny ranges. So we're gonna take cells below the 1 hour support. Around 240 would be ideal. $240. Breaking below around 420. Alright, so we're looking at these levels. Alright, so we're gonna have to do some extensive analysis on this one. But for now, we've already broken the top. So even if we come down here, reject and continue back up, we should be good to go. This is where our actual targets are. This is the small level of caution. Dun, dun, dun.
What up?
What's up, Change? How's it going?
All good?
Not bad, not bad. You up? You up and early?
Yes.
I think my man is still out over here. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so GBP JPY looks decent for this morning. We'd have to see how it plays out. The 30-minute ranges are very small, so we need to see it on some higher time frame ranges like the 1 hour, break in support, stuff like that, and see where we could find that bounce off. So I would still say our bias is bullish, so it's all about a matter of making that bottom wick now, the daily bottom wick, and continuing back up. Alright, we come down to GU on the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, where we've entered this block almost, you could say, yeah. If we continue coming up, I'm looking at coming up to this level right here at 1.39 flat. Going to the daily time frame. Once we break the top, we should be able to come up here at least, and it should be 600 flat. Okay, around 610, 138, 610. Yeah, to this daily 4 hourly zone right over here. To about 600. Yeah, so that seems like a pretty good level to look at as a target. And so now looking at what we have right over here is we have a resistance right over here, bang on, at 280, and a support down here at literally 180. So that's like a 10 pip range right over here. And so as we come down, let's go 3 hours, 2 hours. So the 2 hour support gets lower, 1 hour support gets lower, 1 hour the resistance gets higher. We're just readjusting as we come into this, There's a 1 hour support right over here. When you go to 30 minute, it comes right down here. -15-minute. We got some solid clean traffic to the left right over here. Yes, I'm just gonna use this zone. This 1 1, yeah, it's 1120115 level. If we break above this, we should continue up above and beyond. It's done. Alright, so there you go. Change, you see this? You see what we're looking for right over here. So we're literally just going for the resistance right at the top. That's like the 30-minute, 15-minute resistance right at the top. Because if you look at it, this range is only a 10 pip range. Okay, so this is a 20 pip range. So we want to take a trade outside this range to push up another 20 pips or to push down another 20 pips. Alright, so you see the small consolidation it is, right? So we want to take a trade above this to fill this range back up here.
Yeah.
So yeah. Da 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 da. Alright. So we're gonna ignore that one wick to the left and we're gonna look above these regions, of course. So let's just get it. You know, last night there was content creators versus cracked Warzone players. So that was like Dr. Disrespect, Z-Lana, Destroy, all those people. It's,
Nice.
you,
Did Testy also play?
yeah, Testy also played.
I was watching a couple of his old videos and I heard him talk about something like this.
Yeah, and he played it last night. I think it's still going on, if
Nice.
I'm not mistaken.
Oh,
Yeah. Tension. Rise above. Yeah. Tension sells below. Dun, 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 dun. So we're gonna see how this is gonna play out. GJ especially, I'm looking for closers above. So let's see how that's gonna play out too. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. $17.95 now. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I see only clean move on top there.
GU.
Yeah, GU once you start breaking above the 1.38300, I feel like that's the only reason we're looking at some clean moves.
I feel like we might have sells on GJ.
Yeah. The only problem is that it's too like small of a region.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, destroy and all are still in game.
And
Yeah, that's crazy, dude. They've been playing since last night, 12 o'clock. These tournaments go on forever. So you're looking at your range change.
Yeah.
From the break, like if it breaks from where it is right now, it's not even 7 pips to the next support. You know,
Which one are we looking? Okay.
GJ.
You're talking about the range, right?
Yeah, the range. So
Yeah, yeah. The
coming up.
range is like really small.
So you'd wanna wait for it to break a support where there's more range. You know. So I'm looking for below 450. So when you look on the 30-minute like that way, you get a better range down. But yeah, GJ does look like it's gonna come down, right? Once
Yeah.
we break then, yeah. Closed with no bottom weight. For me, that's a no-go, complete no-go. But again, this is Asia market open, so it could just continue down like a tank right now. Like it's 5:30, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So it could just continue down like crazy, but I'd like to see that break on the 1 hour time frame. Because if you notice, we haven't made a lower low.
Yep.
We've only made higher lows. So we need to kind of see market structure before it makes moves.
It's still in that range
Yeah.
thing.
Especially on the 1 hour.
Yeah, yeah.
Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. She's a runner, she's a track star. Not orange. Even on the 30-minute, like still not feeling it even on the 30-minute. Well, it's pushing down. Like I said, it's Asian market open, so it's that time again. So if we're looking plainly on the 1 hour time frame, we may get that push down, or it may reject this level of support at um 70.
470.
Yeah, 470. But if it closes below 470, that'll be really nice.
Mm. Have you seen that video where Testy talks about FaZe Clan and stuff?
Yeah. He said he's no longer signing the contract for FaZe, right?
Yeah.
I think he's gonna do better by himself anyway.
Yeah.
It's like, once you start looking at the way these companies actually treat them, you're just like, yeah, not the vibe. So change, you see what I mean by I wasn't feeling that?
Yeah.
Came down around 6 pips, gave everybody hope and shot back up. The Mooney, what's up? Thank you. The Mooney, are you in a trade-in? Or do you just enjoy nice vibes? We're here for that too. Guys, if y'all are looking for anything, let me know. If y'all want me to break down anything else, let me know. Oh, thank you so much, the Mooney. You're learning. Of course, we're always learning. We're never gonna completely know it all. What are the pairs you trade? The Mooney. D Mooney. Let me know what are the pairs you look at. What's your trading style? Are you a scalper? Are you a swing trader?
Have you been looking at gold lately?
Mm, I have it, but I haven't been looking to actively trade it, to be honest.
Hmm.
Let's get in. Support lines were alright. That sounds good, man. How to just use resistances and supports, right? That's good. Trust me, it's all about you keep drawing it, man. Keep trying it out. Keep searching for them. Because, like they said, support and a resistance isn't a point. It's a zone. Support and resistance is a zone. So that's why you wanna look at marking yourself out a zone.
Bitcoin also pushed up
Yeah,
last
actually,
couple of days.
I was looking at that.
Hmm.
Um, let's just check some BTC USD and D Mooney. Feel free to join us on Discord, man. My Discord is in the description. It's completely free. You could join us for a chat. No what? It's all good. Alright, so look at the daily time frame change. Okay, on Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna mark out just 31,000. Okay, so 31,000 was a support, right? We tried to
Yes.
break below and we faked out and closed back in the range, right?
Hmm.
So this range, the top of the range is right over here, right? So
Yeah.
if we closed back in this range, we should continue to the top of the range, and that's exactly what it did. It continued to the top of the range. You see that? So had anyone taken buys on Bitcoin just based off of this, you're talking about like 24%. That's massive moves. So when you look at it, it was evident once the daily time frame closed above 31,000. And for us as scalpers, looking at trade entries is above these resistances or above these minor resistances down here, just as long as you took it after we closed back into the range. But like, it followed price action so well. Mm-mm-mm. Bum, 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 bum. just happened?
Losers bracket right here. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Turn me up, baby. Turn me up, turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. Z's not playing. Z was playing in this tournament already with Doc. He played with Doc. They lost like in second, third round, something like that. Around there. Around there.
Z and Diesel just lost. Sorry, Destroyer and Diesel just lost.
What tournament is this? For how much?
This is 10k. 10k. Just think of it, for guys like Aiden and all, they win so much of cash from this. Yo, D Mooney, where are you from? Like, which part of the globe are you from? And if you don't mind, what's your real name? So we're just waiting for Price to do something interesting. What's up guys, what's up guys? I see Fo in the YouTube chat. Let me know what's poppin'. Do you want me to analyze any currency pair you all are looking at? Do you want me to explain anything to you all? I'd be more than happy to explain anything to you all. Not sure if I'm gonna find any trade this Asian session. So guys, what you're going to look at is the Asian session is not that strong of a session. So let's just look at this. At 5:20 we had some news from JPY. Rates remain the same. Nothing that great. We literally have nothing. We have at 3:30. This is past our session. So anyway, so looking at it, what you need to notice that Asian is actually low volatility session, so you don't get that big of volatile moves. So GBP USD change looks like it's about to give us a banger. But it looks like it could reject right off this level. Look at the 15-minute, no bottom wick. It's just pushing. So anyway, so we get a good trade. Could get a good trade. Let's see how this closes. then we decide. Alright, so we have a pretty decent range if the 30-minute closes above this resistance real nice and clearly, but we will need to see that close up there. So yeah, so we're just gonna wait for our confirmations. This is the way I trade personally. If anyone's new here, you can watch it and then choose whether you want to follow it depending on your own comfort levels. So let's wait for this to close in 10 minutes and then we shall decide. I wanted to close nice and strong, exactly like that. If it closes up a little higher also, I don't mind. As long as it's closing nice and strong, I don't mind. And yeah. So many times change, if you notice, when GJ is bullish, GU is usually bullish, right? It's like they both complement each other kinda. So if you just look at it the way they both complement each other, well, it's nice. So if you look at GU on the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, it's looking a lot better.
Yeah.
If it closes above like that, that would be a solid close.
Above the resistance.
Yep, above the resistance. So then we could decide whether we want to buy, and if it rejects, we're gonna sell it. I mean, we're not gonna sell it. We're just gonna wait for it. So as you see that right now Asian is open. We close at like 2:30 p.m. 12:30 we begin London. And 5:30 our time we begin New York. So you all gotta decide what trading times you all are trading. You know what's happening. You know, one of the most traded pairs, actually the highest traded pair is Euro USD.
I guessed it.
Yeah, it's the highest traded pair. Like, you know, everybody trades it. But so let me tell you why I don't trade Euro USD. Okay, so if you look at it right now, the reason why we're not trading Euro USD is neither is the Euro open nor USD open, right? And so the only reason I haven't looked into it is also because I haven't back tested it enough to know how it moves compared to the way I know GJ, you know.
Yeah.
And so yeah, so that's why I stick to what I've back tested, you know, GJ, GU, stuff like that, you know, stuff which I'm confident on. And so perhaps if I backtest you a little more, I would be confident on that too. But yeah, many times what you want to do is like GU right now it's showing volume, but what you also want to recognize is both the pairs are inactive right now. So when you look at it, um neither
G.
is UK open, yeah, on GU. Neither is UK open or the USD open.
Hmm.
Both of them are asleep. So that's why, like, you want to be careful of that, because there's no like catalyst to push it, right? And but what we also got to agree, so the traders in the Asian session, so we're talking about China, Japan, everyone, right, who are trading Forex right now, they could also be trading GU. So if we're seeing this volume more than we're seeing on GU, that shows the market sentiment is leading towards GU. You feel me?
Yeah.
So that means they are seeing GU as more of a potential than GJ. So that's why many times we see like GU pushing Asian session and stuff like that. It's simply because that the market sentiment is leading towards GU. So
Yeah.
So let's just wait on this. GU doesn't look like it'll close strong enough. It looks like it's just gonna create a resistance right where it's at and come back down. Dun, 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 dun. So Mooney, what we're looking at over here is your resistance, right? Where you have a bullish candle or bearish candle, price has come up after that, formed a bullish candle, bearish candle, support, a bearish candle and a bullish candle, right? On that same level, another bearish candle or bullish candle. So that's how you continue perfecting it. You go around trying supports wherever you see these, right? These bearish candles and then a bullish candle, that forms a support. So if you look at it, we have a support right over here. Can you see this? The candle close, candles close, candles close. This is what we'd call a fake out. So like I said, support is not a point, it's a zone. Because can you see prices come into this zone, rejected, zone rejected, zone rejected. Right over here we have a zone. Can you see there's a rejection right here? Rejection, rejection, rejection. So that's what you need to focus on, finding a zone where price is rejecting. Yeah, we're not gonna get a trade this session. It's not enticing at all. So yeah, so change, just make sure as you continue your trading throughout the day, like now you can just go chill because you're waiting for price to break above either one, right?
Yeah.
And so as you're waiting throughout the day and as you're waiting for this to set up, watch, are we going to make a higher low over here and then break above that with giving us the higher high, or what is going to happen here? Are we going to make lower highs and then break below and create a lower low, right? So so just watch out for that, but take your trade change. Like I said, other than what I call out, I want y'all to take 5 more trades. Okay, and
Yeah.
so just slaughter it this way. And so same with Geo, just watch it, because if you look at it, this 300 level is there, but on the 15-minute time frame there's a small resistance at 3536. So I'm actually looking, the reason why I'm looking for it to close above my zone, right? I want to close above my zone because I want it to close above this 3536 region, breaking above the 15-minute resistance too. So yeah, so let's see how it goes. As the day goes by, make sure to keep your eyes peeled, you know, let it work its way up or down. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream over here. There's not much we could do. This will depend on 30-minute close at 306. Yeah, can you see where the close changed? It closed exactly at 15-minute rejection.
Yep.
So at that point, I'm just not interested. You know, at that point, I'm just gonna call it a trading session and come back the next session. Anyway, so yeah, guys, don't overtrade, don't overrisk. There's really no need. So today you saw, even though it broke these minor resistances and all, we're in no hurry to take a trade, right? We're in no hurry to lose. We need our plan to work. We need our plan to be functionable. So that's why we really didn't care about what happened and which smaller levels it broke. We're just here to do what we've planned to do and fulfill what we've planned to do, alright? So don't overrisk, don't overtrade, lads. Be safe. Oh, trade smart. Join us every morning. I don't know what it is for y'all. I don't know whether it's evening for y'all or what. But yeah. Be safe and we shall see you tomorrow morning at the agent session.